Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. To do this, first of all, open your Instagram application. Then click on the profile icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Then open the three lines on the top corner. Then go to the account types and tools because you need to turn on your professional mode for this. Then switch to personal account. Then you need to create a professional dashboard for which you need to add all of these. Once you are done with your professional mode, go back to your profile and click on the top right corner three lines. Then go to the creator tools and controls, and then select connect a Facebook page. Hit on continue. If you have already a page, then simply connect to it, or otherwise you can also create a new Facebook page. Click on create a new Facebook page. Here add a page category and a page name and click on done. Once you are done with this, go to your Facebook account, go to the menu button and click on the menu button on your side of your profile and select your recently created page. In this way, you can connect to a Facebook page to Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.